Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TimeDesign 7 Online. Today I'd like to introduce you to Studential. You have both the app or the online version. You can click to download the app, or you can select to browse it in a test view, using Studential as the test value. It ties in with TimeDesign using that Studential code there, which is in the olden days, in the previous versions, the EMIS number, but it is now essentially the Studential reference code. Going back, we can either download the app or we can choose it over there to access the website or download the app. Going to the app, it shows us that everything needs to be set up. Nothing that's the very first time it's going to be used. So you're going to enter in the Studential if you want to try it out, or your own school's reference code there. So I go to Setup and I enter in the Studential. Immediately it finds a school and it gets the details. You can then decide whether you are, or you can click that search button to refresh it. You can decide whether you're a student or educator. If you're a student, you can select which class you belong to. Selecting your class, displays a list, and where there's a multiple combination, you choose which is your particular subject. Then shows you everything in detail. I've got the option to change it, but most students don't really need to change it there. Once you are happy with everything the way it is, you can simply click the Save button. It'll take you to your weekly view or your cycle view. It shows you who it is, which class it is, the days of the cycle. It shows you the time span and the period. The only time that the internet is accessed is during the setup. So whether it's saved on your phone, as you can see, we can now simply choose a cell phone. That would be the equivalent to the APK installation. And you can finger browse, scroll through the days of the week. Selecting any particular period gives you details about the educator, the room, the nickname, and what the subject was. That's the menu. Selecting help, you can see the student help or the educator help. Going back, that just about shows you which is your current version and who we are, and the name of the program or the application. It is currently version 1.2. Going back to setup, it keeps the default code and school, and you can choose either different school. If it's a new year, you can click the search button just simply to refresh it. Get a list of the different classes and choose your fresh class. And everything is available to you there. And once again, you would save it. And there's your latest information. If you're an educator, you go to Setup. You'd, of course, enter in your own school's reference number there, your code, search it, Then you can go and decide whether you're an educator or the student. In that case there, you're another educator. You select which educator you are, and you can take anyone. It defaults to everything. But as you can see, what you see in the nickname is what is going to be displayed, and you just don't want the exact same name to be entered all the time. So you simply type in S maybe, so that you know it's Sutu, and 10 and the different classes. Same with the next one, and you would adjust those nicknames accordingly. Just going to go through, change them all. Okay, just simply change it quickly so that at a glance it's much quicker and easier to see what the subject is and which grade you're teaching, which particular class. Once you've done all of that, I'm just removing unnecessary spaces there. Just finish typing there. You click the save, and that's your timetable then. And there's your classes. Once again, you can scroll through. It shows you the breakdown of the different classes if you want more detail about it. Everything is displayed there. As you can see, the timetable there matches in with the master timetable. So if you had to go there, choose the same educator, confirm the colors you'll see there, or you switch to a timetable, or those matching colors. So in other words, it's all tied up together, and it's only a matter of during the setup that the internet is accessed. The rest of the time there's absolutely no internet access whatsoever is required to run it. And that would be simply changed by the setup. So in other words, you've got the flexibility of both the student or the educator's timetable loaded quickly there instead of physically them having to write it down if need be. It's displayed up top there. There's free information shown there. At a later stage, I'm hoping to add some possibly extra features. Looking forward to some suggestions, what more I can add or enhance for you guys. It shows that there's no periods there, it's empty periods there. And that is essentially what's done. Thank you, people. Wishing you all the best for the new year.